I remembered well. In IBM, I worked for 5 to 6 years. First 3 years, my journey I told right in the last session somewhere. Next, fourth year, I changed my gear, I changed my style, mingle with the people, appreciate my lead, and so on. Okay, like then I got Bravo Award. In IBM, we have Bravo Awards are there. I got the first Bravo Award. One award means they are going to give at that time. This was happened in the 2009, 2008, 8, 7, like 5,000 rupees as the reward, and then one certificate they are going to give. That is Bravo Award means. I will show next time. After receiving that award, believe me, the first feeling I got is tomorrow onwards I have to work more. Tomorrow onwards I have to work more, some more. Sincere work must be required. Like, believe me, that feeling what I had in the 2009 or 2008, still I remember that feeling. After receiving that award, the first feeling I got, felt very happy, and then I required to work more with more sincere. Array, I'm working for the last 3 years in the same company. Suddenly, why I got that feeling?
The award received, no, sir.
What
Sometimes
ratio? They gave so important. Yes, this person is the important appreciation. Important. I got that whatever I want. Then obviously I felt in this style. How many of you have the same feeling?
sir, in our company also, no, sir. For 3 years, whoever completed, they will give the 30,000 and silver coin with medal, and 5 years 50,000 and 7 years 1 lakh. In
Yes.
between, also they are giving appreciation award every 6 months. Because of that reason, knowingly unknowingly, in our company, iteration percentage is very less, very minimal.
Yes.
The company 8 years old, na, almost whoever joined first 100 employees, their last up to
Continue.
8 years continue. The appreciation, the awards, somewhere the even not only appreciation awards, every year they are giving appraisal also good amount compared to other companies. The employees also they take the ownership and they are
Yes.
doing good work
Obviously,
also. So that
that
appreciation
feeling.
is required everywhere. Yes.
Yes.
Our boss also somewhere if anything is wrong happen, he will take care. If it is good work is done, then he will say go and talk to management.
Yes.
That's where my boss is also is every time he is appreciating. Whenever we do small mistakes, he will take in తన మీద తను తీసుకుంటాడు సార్ నేను
Yes.
ఉండాలి మీకు ఏం బాధొద్దు మీరు చేయండి.
That's a bigger
Yes.
thing. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
How much important appreciation.